Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a crucial topic, how to conduct an internal audit for ISO 18788. If your private security company is preparing for ISO 18788 certification or looking to improve compliance, this guide will help you understand the step-by-step internal audit process. Let's get started. What is an internal audit for ISO 18788? An internal audit is a self-assessment process that helps organizations review their compliance with ISO 18788 standards. The goals of an internal audit are to identify gaps and areas for improvement, ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, strengthen security management processes, prepare for the external certification audit. Internal audits ensure that your security management system, that is SMS, is functioning effectively and aligns with ISO 18788 requirements. Step-by-step guide to conducting an internal audit. Let's go through the step-by-step process to conduct an internal audit for ISO 18788 compliance. Step 1. Define the audit scope and objectives. Before starting the audit, define its scope and objectives. Ask yourself, which areas of security management will we assess? What are the key compliance requirements to review? And what is the timeline for completing the audit? This step helps ensure that the audit focuses on critical areas and is conducted efficiently. Step 2. Assemble the internal audit team. Next, assign qualified personnel to conduct the audit. The team should include internal security managers, compliance officers, risk assessment specialists. Ensure auditors are independent of the processes they are auditing to maintain objectivity. If needed, consider external consultants for expert guidance. Step 3. Review ISO 18788 requirements. Before starting the audit, thoroughly review the ISO 18788 standard and company policies. Key areas to assess include risk management framework, legal and human rights compliance, security operations and reporting procedures, employee training and competency, incident response and corrective actions. This step ensures that auditors understand what to evaluate before the assessment begins. Step 4. Conduct the audit, collect evidence, and evaluate compliance. Now it's time to conduct the audit by collecting evidence and evaluating compliance. This includes interviewing employees about security procedures, reviewing documents such as risk assessments and training records, inspecting operational controls to ensure compliance with security protocols. Use audit checklist to track findings and ensure nothing is overlooked. Document all observations, including non-conformities and areas that need improvement. Step 5. Identify non-conformities and corrective actions. After completing the assessment, identify any non-conformities. These are areas where your security management system does not fully comply with ISO 18788. For each issue, develop a corrective action plan, which should include the root cause of non-conformity, actions required to fix the issue, a deadline for corrective actions, responsible personnel for implementation. This step ensures that problems are addressed before the external audit, improving your chances of certification. Step 6. Report audit findings and implement improvements. Once the audit is complete, compile the findings into a detailed report and present it to the management. The report should include summary of audit scope and objectives, key findings and compliance status, identified non-conformities and corrective actions, recommendations for improvement. Management should review the report, approve corrective actions, and implement necessary improvements. Step 7. Follow up and prepare for certification. An internal audit is not a one-time process. It requires continuous monitoring and improvement. Conduct follow-up audits to verify that corrective actions have been implemented. Keep documentation updated for the external certification audit. Continuously improve your security management system based on audit findings. By consistently auditing and improving, your company will be fully prepared for the ISO 18788 certification process. And that's how you conduct an internal audit for ISO 18788. By following these steps, defining the audit scope, assembling a team, reviewing the requirements, conducting assessments, identifying non-conformities, and implementing improvements, you can ensure compliance and be ready for certification. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more security compliance insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.